Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Lamborghini Huracan. First, make sure the key fob is inside the car with you. You can unlock the doors by pressing the button on the fob or by simply touching the door handle. Once inside, settle into the driver's seat and fasten your seatbelt. This ensures you are ready for the next steps to bring your supercar to life. Next, direct your attention to the center console, positioned between the driver and passenger seats. You'll notice a prominent red flap, which is a signature design element. This flap cleverly conceals the engine start button. Carefully lift this red cover to expose the button, preparing for the exciting moment of ignition. It's a small but significant step in the process. Before pressing the start button, it's essential to engage the brake pedal. With your right foot, firmly press down on the brake. You need to maintain steady pressure on the pedal during this step. This action is a critical safety measure, ensuring the car is stationary and ready for a controlled start. It's a standard procedure for many modern high-performance vehicles. Now for the exciting part. While keeping your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the engine start button you just uncovered. Push it down and hold it for a brief moment until you hear that incredible V10 engine roar to life. The distinctive sound is unmistakable and signals that your Lamborghini Huracan is ready to go. Enjoy the symphony of power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.